Watch out, Pappy. Look at him going. Look at him rolling. Hey everybody, it's Saturday morning. I'm out here trying to feed these cows. I'm gonna go get some hay for them. 2 bales, one on the front, one on the back. But as you can see, look at the clouds. They're looking kind of weird out there. But anyway, they say we could have some tornadoes or something coming out today, but mainly wind damage and could be hail damage, stuff like that. But anyway, let's get it taken care of before it starts raining. Hopefully we can make it. I can't believe we got some sun though, but anyway, coming down Dixie Alley, we gotta be ready. All right, let's go everybody, let's go get them. Thanks for tuning in everybody. All right, I think I'm gonna stop here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this net wrap off. So I got a ways till I get up there, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it off now and just be safe. Here we go. Hopefully they won't come over here and mess with that, but all right, we good. While I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and do the back real quick. So, now, but that's done. I brought the net wrap inside. I didn't want to leave it out there. The bull's right over there. There's no telling. He may smell it. They got a good sense of smell, and let's just go ahead and take it on up here and give it to him. Well, I'm real thankful because it's the sun's out, because it was supposed to be raining this morning all day. We got a chance of bad stuff, maybe a tornado or something, but we're in Dixie Alley over here, so all the storm chasers are here, and we just need to get it done early, because you never know what's going to come. See one of them back there coming, but I don't have to get out. I'll stay inside and I'll dump it off and I'll move on over to where Pappy is. Y'all leave the back one alone, ladies. See, he wants the one on the back. He's looking at it. There we go. See him tearing it up? Look at that. Pappy's right in front of me. Pappy! There he is. Mr. Man. Watch out, Pappy! Watch out, Pappy! Uh-oh! Pappy, look out! I don't want to hit the little thing. Watch out, Pappy! Look at him going. Look at him rolling. He's eating right now. The lady's over there. Alright, well that was a lot less crazy today, I guess because it was earlier in the day. I guess later in the day they just get a little bit wilder and they're just really hungry. But anyway, we got them fixed up. And we didn't encounter any rain. I really thought it was going to be raining while we did this, but it didn't. Thank goodness. So we'll see what happens with the weather. I don't know, but we're done with them, so yay. So let's go put it up, get on inside. So appreciate everybody tuning in, everybody. I'll show y'all a few little things that come up along the way back. And but other than that, thanks again. We'll see y'all soon. Bye.